Create a video using exactly this script. Turn $2,000 into a YouTube empire in 2024. Finding your niche is crucial. It's about discovering what you're passionate about and what your audience wants to see. Investing in the right equipment can make all the difference. Start with a good camera and microphone, then gradually upgrade as your channel grows. All right, so let's dive into the heart of your YouTube empire, content creation. This is where your ideas come to life and connect with your audience. First, you need to understand your niche. What unique perspective or value can you offer? Consistency is key, so create a content calendar. Plan your videos in advance and stick to a regular uploading schedule. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. This not only builds a community, but also helps you improve your content. And remember, quality over quantity. Focus on delivering high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. Now that you have great content, it's time to get it in front of as many eyes as possible. Start by optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search. This helps your content get discovered. Use social media to your advantage. Promote your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Collaborate with other YouTubers to tap into their audience. And don't forget about the power of thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Lastly, engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging shares. The more interaction your videos get, the more likely they are to be promoted by YouTube's algorithm. Let's talk about turning your passion into profit. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common method is through ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can start earning from ads displayed on your videos. Another powerful revenue stream is sponsorships. Brands are always looking to partner with influencers who align with their values. You can also explore affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting products. And don't forget about merchandise. Creating and selling your own products can be a lucrative way to monetize your audience. Diversifying your income streams is key to building a sustainable YouTube empire. We've covered a lot of ground today, from content creation to monetization. Building a YouTube empire takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. Remember to stay authentic, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your content. The journey won't always be easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. So go ahead and start building your YouTube empire today. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your YouTube journey.